Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the VERSADESK PowerRiser 32-inch electric standing desk converter, a game changer for your workspace that effortlessly transitions from sitting to standing with the push of a button. This sleek, black desk converter features a patented electric X-lift technology, allowing you to adjust the height from 6.1 inches to 18.9 inches, making it perfect for users up to 6 feet tall and helping to improve posture and reduce strain throughout your workday. With its spacious two-tier design, the PowerRiser offers a large 32 by 24 inch working area that supports up to 44 pounds, along with a detachable keyboard tray that holds up to 4.4 pounds, ensuring your workspace remains clutter-free with an integrated device slot for your gadgets. Crafted for durability, the anti-scratch black top and padded feet provide enhanced stability, making it a stylish and robust addition to any home or corporate office. Weighing just 28 pounds, this portable desk converter seamlessly integrates with various office setups, including L desks and small office desks, offering a versatile solution for your monitors, laptop, and accessories. Best of all, the PowerRiser's design simplifies assembly, allowing you to set up your customized workspace quickly and without hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.